Thinking about converting two garage doors into one big opening? You might be wondering about the cost. Let's break it down. First, the initial cost depends on your garage's size and structure. On average, you can expect to spend between $1,000 and $5,000. This includes removing the old doors, framing the new opening, and installing a single large door. The type of door you choose can also affect the price. Standard doors are generally more affordable, while custom or insulated doors can cost more. Expect to pay an additional $500 to $3,000 for high-end or custom doors. Labor costs vary by location and contractor. On average, labor can range from $500 to $2,000. Don't forget about additional expenses like permits, which might cost between $100 and $500. Keep in mind that converting two doors to one can enhance your home's curb appeal and functionality. However, it's important to get multiple quotes and choose a reputable contractor to ensure the best outcome. Interested in making the change? Get in touch with local experts and start your project today. For more home improvement tips, like and subscribe.